What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the best deal I have ever seen on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I was looking around on Costco's website and I did see that they have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for $500. First off, I'm thinking great deal. This is normally $520 on B&H Photo and $520 on DJI's website. Now I'm looking at it a little bit more on Costco's website and I see this is a camera bundle. Now what I love about this combo kit is you are receiving the Osmo Pocket 3, which is normally $520, but you are getting it for a great deal at $500 and you're getting some additional accessories with it. You are getting a 64GB SD card, which is good enough for about an hour worth of footage on the Osmo Pocket 3 while shooting 4K. And you're also receiving the external battery. I love having the external battery because when I have this external battery on my Osmo Pocket 3, it's like having two batteries in one. I can really shoot all day with the Osmo Pocket 3 and the external battery without having any issues. And then you are also receiving the mini tripod, which is great because you can just set the Osmo Pocket down wherever you feel like it is necessary. Now, the one thing you do not get in this kit is you do not get the DJI Mic 2. So if you plan on recording audio, you're going to have to look elsewhere, maybe ordering the DJI Mic separately, or you could also attach an external mic to the Osmo Pocket 3 and use it that way. I also have used this a couple of times without a mic attached at all, and the audio that you're capturing straight out of the camera isn't that bad if the camera is close enough to you or the person talking. Overall, I just think it is such a great camera, and the quality you're getting for this price point and also the size to be able to carry this camera with you whenever you want is really unbeatable. Another huge benefit of buying this camera from Costco is you do get the 90-day exchange rate versus if you buy it elsewhere, it's mostly going to be a 30-day. So you could try this camera out for a month or two and see if it's really a camera for you. I love how versatile this camera is. It's so small and I can carry it with me everywhere. I've taken it on many trips over the past year and the footage I'm getting off of it is just exceptional for the size of this camera. You're getting 10-bit color in this camera, which is amazing. When traveling, having a built-in gimbal this small is truly so impressive, and the footage looks like I'm carrying a gimbal with me at all times. It is so stabilized and I don't have to worry about stabilizing in post or having unsmooth footage on the go. It is truly impressive to see what DJI was able to put into this camera. And if you have been following me along on YouTube, you know I absolutely love the Osmo Pocket 3. I have a lot of videos on the Osmo Pocket 3. So if you're still on the fence and you want to check out footage or any additional information on the Osmo Pocket 3, feel free to check out my channel. You're going to find a ton of content on the Osmo Pocket 3 there. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to my channel because you know it helps my channel grow. And until next time, peace.